Isn't your Apple Watch turning on? Don't worry, folks. If your Apple Watch is unresponsive, stuck on a black screen, or just won't power up, I've got you covered. In this advanced video, I'll show you how to solve the Apple Watch not opening issue. So let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your Apple Watch. First, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown together for about 10 seconds. If your Apple Watch doesn't turn on, follow my next solution. Solution 2. Verify the charger. Make sure you're using the official Apple Watch magnetic charging cable or USB-C magnetic fast charging cable. Check that the cable is securely plugged into the USB power adapter and that the adapter is firmly plugged into a working power outlet. Solution 3. Clean the connections. Make sure the back of your Apple Watch and magnetic charger are clean and free of any debris. Then charge it for about 1 hour. If that won't work, then charge it overnight. Solution 4. Connect your charger to the Apple Watch. Press and hold both the side button and the digital crown until the Apple logo appears. Now let go and wait for it to restart. If Apple Watch doesn't open and you still face the same issue, then you have to go to the Apple Care. And that's all. This is the way to solve the Apple Watch not opening issue. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now.